Welcome to Remedy Seeker, your go-to place for health and wellness insights. Today we're featuring an eminent health and wellness expert, Dr. Joseph Mercola. A board-certified family physician with over 3 decades of experience, Dr. Mercola has consistently been a trusted source for reliable health information. His prolific contributions in medical research and his numerous insightful publications have made him a dependable guide for individuals looking to improve their health naturally. Join us today as we delve into one of Dr. Mercola's enlightening pieces. Today we delve into an article by Dr. Mercola that links insulin resistance, salt, and high blood pressure. Now, let's unpack these complex scientific concepts into bite-sized, understandable chunks. First off, what is insulin resistance? Well, in the simplest terms, it's when our body's cells don't respond properly to insulin, a hormone that regulates the amount of sugar in our bloodstream. This triggers our pancreas to produce even more insulin, leading to high levels in our system. Over time, this can result in various health issues, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and yes, high blood pressure. But what does salt have to do with all this? Contrary to popular belief, salt isn't the villain in our health story. In fact, it plays a crucial role in our body's functions, including maintaining fluid balance and transmitting nerve impulses. However, the problem arises when we consume too much of it, especially in processed foods. This can lead to an increase in blood volume, which then puts extra pressure on our blood vessels and heart, resulting in high blood pressure. Now let's connect the dots. When our body becomes insulin resistant, it can lead to a buildup of sodium in our blood. This happens because insulin helps our kidneys manage sodium levels. So when our cells resist insulin's action, our kidneys retain more sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure. But here's the kicker. It's not just about too much salt, but also about the imbalance of sodium and other minerals like potassium and magnesium in our diet. This imbalance, coupled with insulin resistance, can set the stage for high blood pressure. So what we're seeing is an intricate web of cause and effect. Insulin resistance, salt, and high blood pressure are interconnected in ways we might not have considered before. And understanding this connection is key to managing and preventing these health issues. As we can see, the relationship between insulin resistance, salt, and high blood pressure is more intricate than it seems. Dr. Mercola, with his vast knowledge and experience, offers a natural solution to this health issue. Delving into the world of natural remedies, Dr. Mercola emphasizes the importance of lifestyle changes. It's not about quick fixes or magic pills, but a commitment to a healthier way of living and eating. He advocates healthy fats to add to your diet, which include grass-fed butter, raw organic dairy, organic pastured egg yolks, coconuts, coconut oil, and macadamia nuts, grass-fed meats, and pasture-raised poultry. These foods can help you manage insulin resistance. Remember, your body is like a well-oiled machine. It needs the right fuel to function optimally. Furthermore, Dr. Mercola underscores the significance of regular physical activity. Exercise, he explains, is a powerful tool to combat insulin resistance. It doesn't mean you have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Even brisk walking or dancing can do wonders for your health. The key is to keep moving, to keep that blood flowing. Also, he highlights the importance of reducing stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, leading to high blood pressure and other health complications. So, engage in activities that help you relax and unwind. It could be yoga, meditation, reading, or even simply spending time in nature. Lastly, he encourages maintaining a healthy weight. Being overweight can put you at a higher risk for insulin resistance and high blood pressure. Therefore, a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise can contribute significantly to weight management. Dr. Mercola's solution is not just about treating symptoms, but addressing the root cause of the health issue. It's about adopting a healthy lifestyle filled with nutritious food, regular exercise, stress management, and maintaining a healthy weight. In the end, it all boils down to the choices we make in our daily lives. Dr. Mercola's insights provide a comprehensive understanding of insulin resistance, salt intake, and high blood pressure. He offers natural solutions to these health, empowering us to take control of our health. Remember, living is about making healthier life choices. Your health is in your hands. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more enlightening health tips and remedies.